Well, Poppy said we gotta work the ground. Ooh, and we could use this earth digger. It was built by Troy, but I don't know. Let's see what else is out there. Or do we use the super till? That is a fine looking beast of a tiller. What does COVID baby think? Suck on your pacifier if you think we should use the super till. I saw a suck. Super till it is. Well, Bryce took a little snort of the starting fluid and woke right up. Super till time. Look out, everyone. The super till's loose. What a weapon. Kind of a two-handed operation. Well, she was running so good, I just couldn't help myself. It's got about 20 hours into it. How does it look? Just kidding. My arms were so tired because it was so wet, I just couldn't do it no more. There it is. I couldn't go anymore. Yeah, I couldn't quite get her finished off. The inside story is, bought this at an auction with my brother, and he didn't think I'd ever use it. So of course, to win the bet, I have to use it every single year and send him a video of it. And if you didn't notice, yeah, I modified the gas tank there. Yeah, 10 times through with the super till, and it's like flat ground.